and make this really quick video because I just had a friend text me with a picture of her knitting, and she was in a bit of a panic and didn't know how to fix it. And she showed me a picture of the front, and I've replicated it here, and it's where it looks like you kind of have a yarn over here, but it is not. It's just not right. And then on the back, she sent me a picture of that too, where you can see this coming over the top side of this stitch here. This is a really easy fix, and I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. Here is this knitting problem again, and what it looks like when you're looking at it. So you're knitting along, and I'm going to zoom in just a little more here. So you're knitting along, and then you come and it's time to knit, but then you have what looks like this yarn over right here. And then you look to the back, and it like crosses over the stitch that you think you're supposed to be knitting, and it just doesn't look right. Something's not right. This is what I'm calling an unresolved stitch, meaning on the previous row something took place where this stitch did not actually get knit. The yarn that you picked up to pull through landed on the needle and never went through. So what we do to fix this is you just pick up this stitch and you're going to pass it over that wrapped stitch and put it back down where it belongs. That's it. You're ready to keep knitting. And now I'm just going to show you, look, I can undo a stitch and create that problem, just like this, to show you. And that's how that problem is created. And so now we just pick up this and put it over, and you're ready to go. I hope that helps you.